Hello, my good people. Sunday Igboho on the news again. Sunday Igboho. You see, Sunday Igboho unleashed a fiery tirade in a new video calling out Yoruba political heavyweights for what he described as a betrayal and abandonment, both during and after his ordeal in detention. In a no-holds-barred rant, he slammed past and present governments for treating him unfairly, took a swipe at K1 The Ultimate amid the singer's recent controversy, and made a passionate case for the release of detained IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu. Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Adeyemo, aka Sunday Igboho, has let loose in a fiery nude video, tearing into some of Nigeria's most powerful figures. He spared no one, not President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, not former President Olusegun Obasanjo, not Fuji legend King Wasiu Ayinde Marshal, and certainly not the Nigerian government for its continued detention of Nnamdi Kanu. He started his tirade with Kwan, called him out over his controversial Ganusi remarks, which many saw as a sign of deep disrespect towards Islamic clerics at his late mother's Fidao prayer. But Igboho's anger ran deeper than just an insult at a prayer gathering. His voice grew heavier as he spoke about Nnamdi Kanu's prolonged detention. Igboho argued that the IPOB leader had committed no crime, insisted that Kanu was merely advocating for his people's right to self-determination. According to him, he sees Kanu's struggles as a mirror of his own stated that both of them were being persecuted for standing up against a system that refuses to acknowledge the rights of indigenous groups. Turning his attention to President Tinubu, Igboho disclosed that he had hoped for justice and fairness under the current administration, but was instead met with betrayal and rejection. He revealed that after being released from detention in Benin Republic, he expected Tinubu's government to welcome him back home. However, he claimed that instead of offering support, the government banned him from entering Nigeria, forcing him into exile in Germany. Expressing his disappointment with Olusegun Obasanjo, Igboho stated that he had expected the former president to speak up against the injustice he faced. However, he revealed that Obasanjo had remained silent, failed to intervene, despite his status as an elder statesman and a respected Yoruba leader. You see, my brother and sister, this is what we are saying. Igboho is annoyed with the previous government, the present ones, and other Nigerian stakeholders for not supporting him. You see, my brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. That Nigeria, in the comment section, hear what some of our own are saying. He is saying the truth, hate or love him. Another one says, which truth? You need to know the character of this Sunday Igboho. It is just unfortunate that the Nigerians and the Yorubas in particular don't know this man called Sunday Igboho. My brothers, you see, this is what we are saying. You see, I don't see any Yoruba person comment on this very issue, because this time it is a Yoruba man whom is speaking about Kanu and the Nigerian government injustice, tribal settlement, and the hate is not good, says that one. I'm a typical Yoruba man. I love Sunday Igboho so much, but I strongly advise him to be very careful before he was attacked by the PMB regime. I have been looking for someone that knows him, his phone number, so as to offer him my candid advice. His life matters to me as a person, and I pray for him a long life. He should be careful of enemies within. Aside from this, he should focus more on the realization of his dream than having confrontation with the constituted authorities. I don't want him to be wasted. God bless you, Sunday Igboho. Sunday Adeyemo Igboho. Fear kills silently. Like a chemical, we too fear. We too fear. That is why Trump is chasing us away, that we should go and repair the country with the masses. But fear have eaten us deeply. The voice of reason, the voice of the voices, the liberator, the Daniel that has come to judgment. They can never listen to you because you are not part of their clique. God will continue to spare you and others like you for the liberation of the caged people of this so-called Nigeria. Tomorrow you abuse Yoruba. Today you become praise singer for Yoruba man. Confused people. We never abuse Yoruba nation. Only abuse the chameleon and the selfish ones that always carry tribe on their head. My brothers and sisters, these ones that can never condemn their brother, even when he knows that his brother is doing the wrong thing. Free man, okay. Tomorrow you abuse Yoruba. Today you become praise singer for them. You see, on Oduduwa Republic we stand. Most of the Yoruba politicians are traitors, selfish, corrupt, and wicked. In our election is arranged genuinely, credibly, honor, and sincerity, with the fear of God. Most of those ruling the country couldn't have found their way to the government house or known as a leader, but they all are infected with thuggery to rule by force or by crook. Igboho is saying the truth, but it was the Igbos that betrayed Kanu. All the Igbos that organized and betrayed Kanu will not see the light of the day. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. You see, if not in Nigeria, how can anyone listen to this person? What is your definition of illiteracy? Look at the caliber of the people that you have as a political leaders first, then come back and ask yourselves that question again. My brothers and sisters, Sunday Igboho is one of our own, so know how you talk bad of him. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. In the comment section, you are free to say your opinion on these issues. Subscribe to this channel, share, love, and like. God bless Nigeria. Thanks and God bless. Amen.